Hello, friends! Today you will watch an exciting story with an important lesson. We hope you enjoy it.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and tell us your opinion in the comments. Remember, children, never go anywhere with strangers.
But Mom, what if they look friendly?
Sometimes dangerous people pretend to be nice. A stranger may offer candy, toys, or ask for help.
Why would they do that?
Because some people try to trick children.
I would never follow a stranger. Me too. I'm not scared.
Dangerous situations can happen very quickly.
Today we will go to the park after breakfast.
Yay! I want to play on the swings. I want to play football.
Stay close to us at the park.
Okay, Dad. We promise. The children look so happy today.
Yes, but we must always watch them carefully.
Mom, who is that man?
Which man?
The man near the trees.
Hello there, young boy. That's a nice football you have. I have many cool toys in my car.
Really?
Yes, you can come see them.
Noah, don't go with him. But he has toys.
Dad said never follow strangers.
Don't worry, I'm a friendly person.
Maybe he is nice. Noah, something feels wrong.
My car is right over there.
You really have more toys? We should go back to Mom and Dad now.
I can give you the toy for free.
Free? Noah, don't listen to him. Dad said we must stay close to them. Maybe you are right.
Come on, it will only take 1 minute. Sarah, who is that man with the kids?
I don't know.
Stay here. I'm going to them now. Children, come here right now.
Dad, he said he had toys.
I was just talking to them. Stay away from my children.
Sorry, Dad.
Are you both okay?
He wanted Noah to go with him.
Thank goodness you stayed together.
Do you understand why strangers can be dangerous?
Yes, Dad. I almost followed him. I was really scared.
Bad people sometimes pretend to be friendly.
You must never go anywhere with strangers.
I understand now.
You scared us so much.
I didn't trust him.
You did the right thing by staying together.
I thought he was friendly.
Bad people sometimes pretend to be kind.
That is why we always stay careful.
Never go near a stranger's car.
Even if they offer toys?
Yes, never trust strangers. It's very important to always look both ways before crossing, even in the park.
I got scared when he called Noah. Thank you for stopping me. Good brothers and sisters protect each other.
If a stranger talks to you, go to a trusted adult immediately.
Like you or Mom?
Exactly.
Next time I will say no immediately.
That's very smart.
And always stay close to family.
Can we stay together now?
Of course.
Family always protects each other.
I learned something important today.
What did you learn?
Never trust strangers.
I'm proud of both of you.
We stayed together.
And that kept you safe. Always remember, strangers are not your friends.
Stay close to trusted adults.
We understand.
I'm happy everyone is safe.
That man was really scary.
You both were very brave today. Some strangers try to fool children slowly. He almost fooled me.
That's why safety rules are important.
What if we are alone someday?
Find a safe adult immediately.
Like a police officer, teacher, or parent.
You should never keep secrets from us,
Even if someone tells us not to tell?
especially then.
I was scared when he asked me to follow him.
You are safe now.
We stayed together.
Smart children know when to say no
And run to mom and dad.
and never follow strangers.
You both learned an important lesson today. I will always remember it.
Me too. You can always ask us for help. We will always protect you.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.
I understand now why strangers can be dangerous. That lesson can keep you safe.
And smart choices protect families.
Always stay close to trusted adults.
And never trust strangers.
We promise.
We hope you enjoyed the story. Don't forget to share your opinions with us in the comments. Goodbye, everyone!